Welcome to Basecamp Blue Sky.
Let's introduce ourselves.
Yeah, I'm Brian.
And I'm Natalie.
For the last 2 years, we've documented our barn dough build on our YouTube channel, Basecamp Barn Project. We're done building the barn, so Basecamp Barn Project is on its own playlist.
We are ready to start traveling again. And our YouTube channel name needs to be updated to reflect this.
We're changing our YouTube channel name to Basecamp Blue Sky. I want to share all of our adventures as we chase blue sky in our RV here, Basecamp. Basecamp Blue Sky.
Now our barndominium is just about finished, and it's really nice. It has a great 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan.
Just as important, we can park Basecamp inside with full hookups.
That is a really nice feature.
Sure is. Now that we're done with the barn project, we're ready to travel.
We get to go out, take our base camp, and go out and explore.
We get to explore this great country of ours.
Here's what you'll see coming up. First of all, we'll give you a tour of our rig. Then we'll get this thing prepped and ready for the road. And then you'll see these first places we've taken it out to go visit.
And boy, have we been on some great adventures.
For example, the Valley of Fire in Nevada,
Death Valley, Painted Desert,
the Grand Canyon.
the Grand Canyon. We're going to travel to all these fantastic places and show you how to do it, even with a big rig on a budget. So we got a lot going on. We got a new logo, we got a new name, we got a new website that'll help document all these places that we're going to. So come along with us on our journey and adventures on Basecamp Blue Sky.